Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of our money analysis session. So for those that are new, and as we all know, this basically we're basically looking out for opportunities can grab in the market, and you guys get to see how I get my entries and exits. Yeah, so for those that be watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page, and you can always drop comments on what you want to be seeing more. Yeah, so let's get started. Fundamental wise, we only have
Oh yeah, it's like network is bad.
Can you guys hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So let's continue. So now, as I was explaining, yeah, price basically created this lower low, came back to retest this area here. That was 0.618 area, and at that same point, you have that whole support on resistance, and then now it's actually pushing. For those that are not on the trade yet, this is what we can do. Yeah, jump to the lower time frame. Let's go to 15 minutes. Now let's look at the 15 minutes and see if there's a potential place we can look at for a retest. So now, price basically tapped here. We created this low and then we pushed up. Then we more or less started ranging here. Yeah. And then we actually broke the range to the downside here. So we have this support level here. What we can do now is just sit back and wait. Yeah, sit back and wait. And see if price can get back to that level. So actually get a retest, more or less like a break and retest of it. So now I'll be looking at an entry here, and then I'll be targeting these lows down here. This 1 hour low. So that's basically what we can look for. So right now, this is what we'll sit back and wait for. Let me set an alert there. Let me set an alert there. So that's what we'll be looking out for right now. So we'll just wait for price, right? It's actually going back. So let's wait back and see whether it actually reach that point. So once it reach that point, that's what we'll be looking to execute from. So that's what we'll have on NZD-USD. We'll have nothing really on AUD-USD. Well, AUD-USD failed to respect the 0.618 area, and then it actually pushed. We created a lower low, and then actually pushed back to that same lower high. The lower high that actually created the last lower low. So it's more or less retesting that whole resistance level, and I don't like taking trades from there, so I'm just going to leave it. So okay, Euro USD and let's see USD. Euro USD. Okay, NZD has reached our entry. It tapped our entry proper. Yep, so it has actually tapped our entry. So this is what we can do. This is how we're looking to enter it. Stop loss just above there. So how many pips stop loss? It's 9 pips. So let me increase it to 10. Let me increase it to 10 pips. Yeah. So we're jumping on it. Let me try to press my distance calculator. 10 pips. These are the USD. Yeah.
I thought it was in the 15 minute time.
It's actually rejecting the Wahala. Even on the 1 hour time frame, we can still see it now. Let me see. Go back to the 15. It's the same thing. Once you plotted it on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see it on any time frame. See, price just taps at that level and then it's rejecting. What I'm just going to do now is just set a pending order there. I'll set a sell limit and just wait for price to get back there by itself. Stop loss is at 0.6, 0.62344, and then take profit is at God please, so let us know 0.61, 61938. So let's just wait and see if price can go back and retest that level. Right now it's actually rejecting from there, so let's just wait and see if it will actually go back. So let's it's actually pushing down massively right now. I'm not sure price will get back to that point again. Let's check Euro USD. Why is the chart number? This network just chose violence this morning. Okay. So let's look at Euro USD on the 1H. Okay, it's almost the same setup we actually have on this on NZD USD. So price basically created this lower low and then it's basically retraced back up. So let's see. Let's see. It has actually tapped the 0.618. It's almost kissed that 0.79, but it hasn't. Yeah, I'm going to be at the trading floor. So now let's see. Price is retesting that support onto resistance there. So now let's jump to the 15 minutes time frame and see if there's anything we can look out for. So right now, if you look at this 15 minutes time frame, yeah, we actually have price creating this high, it created this low, and then now it's actually creating this high here. So what we can look for as a confirmation now is for price to come back and break it to the downside. Let's see if there's any other structure in the 15 minutes. It's still the same structure. So now let's wait and see if price can come down and break it. So what we'll be looking for now is a break of this level here. Once price can break this level to the downside, then we'll be looking for a retest and then we'll take the sell to the downside. So that's basically what I'll be looking out for on Euro USD this morning. Yeah. So if price can come down to break it, then fine, we'll actually take the sells. But for now, it's just to wait and see how it behaves around that point. Then gold. Gold. Wow, gold is looking like a range. Wahala. Really? Gold actually gave nice structure yesterday. Actually broke, retested proper, and then we just sold to the downside. And currently, it's actually going back to this area. Right now, I'm not going to say anything about gold because it's actually looking as if it's ranging. So I'm just going to let it be for now. Is there any other pair you guys want us to take a look at? So let's wait for NZDUSD. NZDUSD. I'm not sure this thing will go back again, but let's just pay attention and see. I've actually placed my order. It's just to wait and see whether price will activate it. Do you guys have any other pair you want us to take a look at before we go? Okay, then. So, in the absence of any other pair to look at, we'd like to call it a session. So, please, you guys should take care of yourselves. Yeah, pay attention to the markets, and if you don't see your setup, please just let the market be. Trade what you see, not what you feel. Yeah. So I'll catch you guys same time tomorrow. Bye, guys. How your brick go?